In this video, I'll show you how to delete photos from your Apple Watch. Adding photos is pretty simple. I've made a video on that, which you can watch by tapping on the I button. But removing them, that's a bit tricky. So in today's video, I'll show you how to remove or delete photos from an Apple Watch. First, you cannot delete photos from your Apple Watch without the iPhone. So grab your connected iPhone, open the Watch app and make sure that your Apple Watch is connected to it. Now, scroll down and tap on Photos. If you want to delete memories or featured photos from your Apple Watch, then simply toggle off these toggle buttons. And if you want to delete all the photos altogether, then turn off the photo syncing toggle button to remove all the photos from your Apple Watch. That's pretty simple. But if you want to delete specific images from your Apple Watch, then for that, you need to open the Photos app. Then open the album which you've synced with your Apple Watch and remove the photo from the album. You can do that by either deleting the photo or moving it to another album. This is the only way to delete or remove specific photos from your Apple Watch. If you found this video informative, then leave a like and subscribe to Wayholic for more helpful videos like this.